Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My workshop does not have enough space. Wait a minute. I have just got an idea. And I need to go buy some supplies. Where's my little horse? Let's go grab my little horse. Okay, what do you need? 你好，这个怎么买？这个夹子啊？有好多工具。这种是就一个了吗？40块钱。
那40块钱啊？
你说多少钱？这个？谢谢谢谢 ，Thank you。Super glue， 里面还有那个 AB 胶也有吗
？AB 胶也有。
啊好。I can come here for lights, all kind of lights, all kind of tools. Ooh, rails, nice. Work boot, masks. Yeah. 你好，有人吗？
要这么宽吗？
这么宽可以，给我4个。Oh, all kind of drills here.
这边是雨衣、钻花，我在这边。称肯定100的，那买个的话100都买不到。就是称的，这样按批发价给你走的，几块钱一斤，就这样。3公分的这个好多钱？6块，621块。啊，这个还要付钱吧
Alright, my shopping is done. I have found everything except the vacuum cleaner bag, which I will buy online. The rest I have found mask inserts, screws, hinges. I was able to find some wheels as well for my project. So, shopping done. Let's go home. My little horse is ready. Got everything that I went for. Got wheels for my vacuum cleaner, that dust collector. I can put wheels on it now and it will move. I can put wheels on it now, it will move freely. I got some tape. I got myself spray paint for a project that I want to do. Got myself spare mask inserts, filters. I got myself more clamps, screws, and yes, hinges baby, for this project. Alright, we have everything. Let's get to work, build ourselves strong tables to do some hard work on it, and folding, that they will fold up on the wall. So when I need it, I will fold them down, work, and after that I will fold them back up on this wall.